In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add logo in Brevo email template, full guide. We'll walk through Brevo's campaign workflow to place your logo into an email, preview it, send a test, and save the design for reuse. First, log in to your Brevo account and go to Marketing, then Campaigns. Create a new email campaign. When the setup window opens, choose a regular email instead of an A/B test. Give the campaign a clear internal name you'll recognize later, and confirm to create it. In the campaign setup, select your recipients if they're ready, then add a concise, meaningful subject line. You can refine this later. Next, switch to the design section and choose to create your email content. For the editor, select the drag and drop editor. You'll see options like create an email, create from scratch, and all saved templates. Either route works if you already have a layout you like, open all saved templates, and click Use template. If you're starting fresh, choose Create from Scratch, confirm the drag and drop editor, and click Start Designing. When the editor opens, navigate to the header area where your logo should sit. If your template already has an image block in the header, click it. If not, drag an image block into the top section, click, select an image, then upload to choose your logo file from your computer. Once uploaded, insert it into the header. Size the logo so it's sharp but not overpowering. As a general tip, keeping logos roughly 120 to 300 pixels wide works well in most email designs, and lighter file sizes help emails load faster. PNG with a transparent background is often a good choice for clean rendering across different backgrounds. Align the logo left or center to match your brand style, and make sure the spacing above and below feels balanced on both desktop and mobile. Use Preview and Test to check how the logo looks in the email. Review the desktop and mobile previews and send a test email to yourself to confirm it renders correctly in your inbox. This is a quick way to catch any sizing or spacing issues before you send a real campaign. When you're happy with the result, save your changes. If you plan to reuse this layout, choose Save as template so your logo and structure are ready to go for future campaigns. That's it. You created a campaign, chose the regular flow, opened the drag and drop editor, uploaded and inserted your logo, previewed and tested the design, and saved it for next time. Follow the same path whenever you update your templates to keep your brand consistent in every email.